We are camping with FloydRay. Just thought I'd start off by kind of showing you my campsite setup. Basically, yes, I do have a Honda Ridgeline, and with this truck I am able to pull this 21-foot, very small, sleeps 4. Got my awning, got my beautiful view. I'm here at Calhoun Falls. This is my second time here, and I'm very happy with this particular state park. Now I do have this neat little cover for my propane tank, which I am very happy with, since I only have a single, and I still, you know, as I'm driving down the road, am concerned about rocks hitting it, and then of course my spare. And then over on this side, of course, I have my portable waste, so I don't have to move the trailer if I get full. Have my water and electric. My water, I do put my pressure valve right there at the trailer. If there's something I should not be doing properly, let me know. Electrical right there. And it all comes through over here to the hookups. I do have my water filter hooked up here, and my power hooked up over there. There's my view. There's my seat with my little table, picnic table. Come around here, the little fire pit. And what I do love is the distance between the campsite on your left and then, of course, the campsite on the right is way over there. Come back over this side. This is where I woke up this morning, got my coffee, and came down here, and this is what I woke up to this morning. This was my view. So here's my little trail back up to my camper. And of course, I'm gonna leave my chair here so I can come back later and enjoy the view. And I've really enjoyed showing you my first video and a little bit about my campsite and how I set it up for just me, because I don't need a lot. As you can see, the dogs have turned over my recliner, but they do get tangled up.